What's going on, guys? Aaron Ventilated down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today behind me I have a 2021 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This vehicle does come fully loaded. You have nice LED headlights with LED floodlights as well. You also see here your red toe hooks in the front along with your forward front collision. Moving to the side here, you do see that it does have a trail rated badge, and in your heated mirrors you also have blind spot detection. Now, when you put your hand in here, you'll notice that the mirrors blade. It means you have keyless entry as well. Moving to the inside, you have full leather, you have heated seats, heated steering wheel, along with cooled seats as well. You got all your safety features like your adaptive cruise control, your self-parking, and of course your lane keep as well. And this vehicle does come with the 8.4-inch touchscreen display with navigation. And the vehicle also has tons of space in the rear with 2 USB ports and with 2 micro USB ports as well, and a 115-volt plug. Now, if you guys look at the remote, you do see that you have remote start and your hands-free liftgate as well. And you also have another red toe in the rear with your backup camera up there and a full-size spare as well. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Cherokee, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thank you for your guys' time today. I look forward to hearing from you soon.